Ever wonder how your favorite apps access your bank account? Have you ever signed up for a new budgeting app or used a service like instant cash advances? Chances are, at some point during the process, you were prompted to connect your bank account. But how exactly do these apps access your financial info securely? The answer lies in a little-known but powerful financial technology company called Flinks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Flinks, exploring what it does, how it works, and most importantly, who uses it. Behind the scenes, the magic of data aggregation. Imagine you're trying to plan your finances. You juggle multiple accounts, checking, savings, maybe even a credit card. Each one has its own app, its own login, and its own way of displaying information. Wouldn't it be easier to have all your financial data in one place? That's where Flinks comes in. They specialize in data aggregation, which essentially means collecting your financial information from various institutions and presenting it in a single, unified format. Here's how it works. When you connect your bank account to an app powered by Flinks, you grant them secure access to read your financial data. Flinks uses what's called an API, Application Programming Interface, to communicate with your bank system. Think of it as a translator. Flinks speaks the technical language of banks and translates it into a format that the app you're using can understand. But security is paramount, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. Flinks utilizes robust encryption methods to ensure your data is protected during the entire process. They also comply with stringent regulations like fintech in Canada, which safeguards consumer financial information. Flinks, powering innovation across industries. So, who exactly uses Flinks? The answer might surprise you. Flinks isn't just for budgeting apps. Their technology empowers a wide range of financial service providers to offer innovative solutions. Fintech startups, imagine applying for a loan without a mountain of paperwork. Flinks helps fintech startups streamline the loan application process by allowing them to verify your income and financial health instantly through secure bank data access. Investment platforms, building a diversified investment portfolio can be daunting. Flinks helps investment platforms provide a holistic view of your finances, allowing you to make informed investment decisions based on your complete financial picture. Personal finance apps, we mentioned budgeting earlier. Flinks is a key player behind many popular budgeting and personal finance apps. By aggregating your financial data, these apps can give you a clear picture of your spending habits and help you stay on track with your financial goals. Payment processors, the next time you make an online purchase with instant payment options, Flinks might be behind the scenes. They help ensure smooth and secure transactions by verifying your financial information and enabling quick fund transfers. These are just a few examples. Flinks technology is constantly evolving, paving the way for even more innovative financial services in the future. The future of open banking. The concept of Flinks falls under the umbrella of open banking. This is a global movement advocating for secure and standardized data sharing between banks and third-party providers. With open banking, you have more control over your financial data and can choose which apps and services have access to it. Flinks is a key player in this movement, making it easier and safer for you to connect your bank accounts to the financial tools you rely on. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.